Hello, everybody. Come on in for this tomato burger. I've been craving this. Welcome, everybody. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you can be notified when we go live. Now, during the week, Monday through Friday, we might go live any day of the week. So we do pop-up lives during the weekday. But on Saturday, it's a cooking challenge. And every Saturday is cooking challenge from it starts at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. So make sure you turn the post notification bell on for that. And on Sundays, we go live at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. And we do sort of like a Sunday cooking fun day, family food day. So you don't want to miss that. So make sure you turn on your post notification bell. But if you're new, welcome to all my Obies. Hey, how you doing? We're doing some beef burgers, but it's tomato burgers. Pay attention. So let's get to cutting. Yeah, I don't really too much care for steak. I say steak burger. Steak tomatoes, because sometimes the core of it be hard. But this one seemed good. This one not hard. You know, sometimes things are just hit and miss. But to make this burger, you have to like what? What do you have to like? You have to like tomato. So we got onions. I got the tomatoes. I got the onions. I got the jalapenos because I want jalapenos on my burger. I have, what these are, the bread and butter pickles. Yeah, bread and butter pickles. Yeah, I love bread and butter. I love bread and butter pickles. Then we got dill pickles. Y'all see how it jumped from 40 to 50? Okay, y'all, let me put some stuff up. So we got everything cut. We got the lovely tomatoes. We got the dill pickles, bread and butter pickles, fresh jalapenos, and we have onions. I have my pepper jack cheese. We're going to make a burger sauce, a quick, simple burger sauce. Remember, when you at home and you have certain things, you can mix it up to your liking, and if you like it, you continue making it. Okay, so a little mayo, a little mustard, a little sriracha sauce. And we're gonna mix this together. Okay, y'all. That's gonna be my sauce. That's my sauce. On beef, I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna add salt. I need that. I gotta have that. Oh, pepper. Garlic powder. I season my meat up, beef meat, ground beef, with salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. What else? Salt, pepper, some Worcestershire sauce. And we're going to make some patties here. Now, them tomatoes not that big like a hamburger bun. I like thin cut cheese for Pull these burgers out. Y'all ready? I want the big tomato. Okay, we got tomato. I'm sprinkling a little slap your mama. Just kind of season the tomatoes a little. I'm gonna do the meat. Put a little sauce on it. Tomato burger. Y'all, this is gonna be messy. Okay? We got some bread and butter pickles and some dill pickles. And onions. And that's it. Why is it? Let's put some lettuce on it. Goodness, that looks so yummy. Look at that tomato burger. What y'all think? Rate it. Let's try it. Who's ready? Play. This is the tomato burger with sweet potato fries. Let's go. Oh, I hate to mess it up. Tomato burger. Juicy. Y'all ready? Y'all, this is so big. I got. Mmm. 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 Yum. Mm. Wow. Yum. Oh. Mmm. 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 Yum. Wow. Woo! When I tell y'all, ooh, that pepper hot. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Wow. Y'all, that burger is woo! Wow. Let me say this, y'all. If you like tomatoes, you don't need that bread. This is a keto burger. That burger right there, I can eat that all day. All day, every day. All day, every day. Mmm, mmm, mmm. It's messy, but it's worth it. Wonder why they don't sell burgers like that. Wonder why they don't sell burgers like that. Now I know they got the Dutchman Burger, the onion. I love onions, y'all. Mm, mm, mm. Mmm.